오늘은 캠핑을 갈 건데요.
저왜?
와, 찬영 인사해 주세요. Yeah. Wow, it's huge.
Yeah.
It's bigger than I thought.
But we'll use the truck to tow it, and then we'll put all our stuff, and then our bike.
오늘은 캠핑을 갈 건데요. 한식을 만들어 주려고 합니다. 저만 가는 게 아니라 저 홈스테이 호스트랑 대학교에서 만난 찬영이랑 같이 갈 거여서 월마트 가가지고 쇼핑하는 모습 보여드리겠습니다. 저희 홈스테이 가족 한식 해줘야 되는데 저희 호스트 패밀리가 베지테리언이어가지고 고기 음식을 안 먹습니다. 전을 해줘야 되나 약간 생각하고 있습니다. 찬영 인사해주세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
박찬영이에요.
Hello.
You got your GoPro, eh?
Yeah, can I do
For
this?
YouTube? Oh,
You're right.
I always watch YouTube. Maybe I'll see you on it.
Shopping video. We're gonna go camping, so we'll cook Korean. So
Okay,
we have
well,
to buy it.
Welcome to Walmart.
Thank you.
Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. 와 이거 색깔 미쳤네. 이거 뭐 칠한 거 아니야? 하나씩 다 닦은 느낌이야. 그지? 감자보다 감자.
이것도 감자고 이 레드 포테이토는 아니고.
그냥 이게 그냥 보통 감자니까 이걸로 갈까?
그러자 그냥 우리가 맨날
오케이,
보던
오케이.
거니까. 뭐 이리 선낫 샀네.
어?
왜 이리 선낫 샀어?
선낫이 조금 샀냐고?
이리
선낫 산 게 뭐야?
아 사투리야 사투리.
아 서울 사람이래.
조금 샀니?
아
담아내기.
담아내기가 뭐야?
양파.
담아내기가 뭐야? 담아내기를 양파라고 해?
그래.
한국인 맞죠?
가수도 있잖아 가수.
아 양파?
그래 그래.
그 담아내기라고 해?
우리는 그 담아내기 신곡 나왔더라.
이제 저희는 LCBO에 술을 사러 갑니다. 여기는 마트에 술을 안 팔아서 LCBO에서 따로 사야 해요. 예. 뱀. 뱀. 짜. Do you know this song? Ding.
Yeah. That's Guardians of the Galaxy.
Is that? Do you know this song?
That's my like favorite part of the Marvel movie.
Yeah. There was the Marvel. What was that? Guardians of the
That's
Galaxy.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, right.
I'll play it.
My favorite part of all Marvel movies.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know this? Yeah, you will know.
Maybe I didn't watch the Marvel.
I have this download. I'm not even using my data.
Oh, you say bathroom. I thought, Canadian will call like washroom, but
Yeah,
you
right.
call bathroom.
Bathroom?
Same thing.
Same.
American will say washroom.
And
Canadians generally say bathroom.
Canadian is bathroom.
Bathroom.
Canadian is
I
bathroom.
misunderstood.
No, American is restroom.
A restroom.
Ah, yeah,
So
right.
restroom.
And British is toilet, right?
Toilet.
Oh,
This toilet is so weird.
yeah, right.
The toilet is
Who's packing in here?
Cool.
Big size.
Yeah, right.
You want to see the lake?
Of course, I
Yeah,
will.
sure.
Gavin and Miles gonna swim? No.
No, not right now. I don't.
I just
Mosquitoes are bad already.
yeah,
Yeah,
everyone
right.
is mosquito.
Hello, mosquito. 야야 목이.
Hello, are you going right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
목이 계속 굽는다 목이. 아 내가 아까
So
잡은 거.
many.
Catch it! I thought you just hit me.
No,
But
no,
you
no.
catch
It's
me.
real. Is there in shower too?
Those are the showers on this side.
Oh, it's a shower.
Do you have to pay about that or it's free?
I think it's
I
free.
think these ones are free.
Is it free?
Sometimes you have to pay,
Uh-huh,
but I
it's
think
free.
those style like
How was it?
It's
they're
good?
super cool.
Super cool. Oh my gosh, the weather is awesome. Hey Miles, is it okay to swim it there or it's too cold?
I think it's pretty cold. We didn't feel
Pretty
it.
cold? But I don't know what it's called.
I think it's,
Come on.
Oh, that looks like a ocean, not a lake.
It's a very big lake.
Yeah, I saw that.
lake looks like.
Yeah. Hello, 1, 2, 3, woohoo! Okay, I will try. Everyone together with you.
Okay, let's go together.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
They're not mosquitoes, those are
Oh.
flies, so they won't.
It's cool. Is it cool?
I got my.
Gonna try it?
Oh.
We'll go swimming sometime.
Yeah, it's awesome. Let's take. It's beautiful. You know, you guys are beautiful right now.
And
1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 너무 멋져. 아, 아니야 이거 오늘 아니야. Not today. 아, not today. Hey, not today. Not today.
now just go swimming.
How now?
It's like it's
This
gonna
is
be.
so calm.
It's sometimes
Yeah,
you get
but-
really big waves here.
Because of boat.
It's a big lake.
No, because it's so big.
Lake, I think, is bigger than Korea.
Maybe.
That's right.
Korea would fit
We
inside
looked
this
it up.
lake.
It's the
Oh,
fourth
really?
largest lake in the
So
world.
America is over there.
Chinese.
Straight out, it would be America.
It's not fully in Canada. Some of it's in the US.
Ah, I understand. Wow.
So if you swam, you'd swim to America.
You can
How
do
far?
it.
How far is it?
Maybe.
Very far.
Very far, not this close. Can you
Swim across?
can you
No,
swim
you'd
to
probably
the
drown.
It's
America?
like a couple 100 kilometers maybe.
Oh, it's awesome. You're very nice now. And now,
You'd probably drown.
nice, perfect.
Oh, Brian's good.
Oh, it's fine.
That's good.
Yeah, it was good.
That's like right at the end.
Oh, it hurts my arm. though.
Oh, 6. I'm 6.
Oh, I skipped
I didn't start it.
this type of rock.
Hey, look at me.
Very fun.
아, 파리가 겁쟁이야.
Like, Mom and I can cook start dinner.
Limbo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit!
Did it whip? Yeah, that's okay. It is old.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You're the chef, right?
Never
Yeah,
seen
right.
Gavin
It's a
chef.
burger.
Yeah,
Yeah. Thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi,
Thank
so
you
I
so
love
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
I know, Brian. What are we supposed to say before we eat? We're supposed to say.
잘 먹겠습니다. Can you repeat it? Yeah, you're right. You're perfect.
Okay.
잘 먹겠습니다. Awesome. I love it.
Can you bring the lighter then, Tom?
I bring this one.
Ah.
뭐야?
청량.
I love matches.
You love it? Wow. It's very fun, right?
You know, kids like marker, right?
You're right.
Always.
I also like making fire.
In Korea, we have saying like that. If you do fire or jogging, you're gonna pee that
Yeah,
night.
at night.
Yeah, right. Pee.
Yeah,
At
pee.
night.
At night.
In your
With
bed.
Fire?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, if you
So it's
hang
a-
with
to
fire.
Stop kids.
Yeah, right,
Yeah,
right,
right.
exactly, yeah,
Oh my
right.
gosh, it's so
Just
funny.
parents always say, hey,
Yeah.
don't do that.
Hasn't happened to me yet.
So we're gonna cook lunch tomorrow.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, good, good.
Sounds good. What are you making?
Korean cake,
Pancake, yeah, right.
Korean pancake.
Ooh.
And dalgona is a squid thing food. Yeah, right, we'll make it. And
But even before Squid Game, this is just something you would do when you were children?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
It's very
Very
famous.
popular.
Popular too.
Everything?
Squid Game is all
Like at a
children's.
birthday party? Like at a birthday party you would do this?
No, we do just anytime after school.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, I was just saying, like, so we painted and then we put,
This one, you did it?
yeah, we countertop and then we stuck, put these on.
Awesome.
Did you know this caravan is 15 years ago?
Yeah,
You heard?
and
You're right.
he like remodel.
Yeah, we did
Yeah,
like
right,
the
right.
floor
Yeah, awesome.
and the paint and the countertop
Yeah,
and
so
then
I
the
think
walls.
that's genius. I think I want
Yeah,
to try
right,
that.
right,
thing.
Looks-
right.
You don't have to buy new one,
Exactly,
right?
don't have to buy new.
and
Yeah.
reasonable.
Yeah, and even some of the new ones, we didn't really like the way the new ones looked, and then they are like
Like
really
five.
expensive.
Yeah, 50,000 like that.
Yeah.
Is U1 is 50,000?
A new one like this would maybe be like 30,000. Still, like that is a lot of money.
Yeah, it's very
So-
expensive.
Actually, we'll do the fire right now.
Oh, awesome. 와, 이거를 이렇게 했구나.
이걸 이렇게 텐트로 만든 거.
아, 이렇게 멀리 이렇게
이거
해서.
뭔가 아늑하기 좋네.
그러니까 여기. 하, 진짜 이런 거 나중에 하나 사면
그러니까.
그지?
And then my hand slides down, and then it goes down. So I
아,
go like that.
Okay, good.
Okay. Maybe do a couple like
be careful.
practice.
예.
어디?
Show who you are. All right, it was nice. It was nice.
It's too hard.
There we go.
Oh.
There we go.
I want to try.
Just slide that hand down and just don't hit your leg.
Okay, I understand.
Oh!
There you go.
Yeah.
Here, start like this.
I have a spoon
Perfect.
Oh.
That was my Christmas present
Oh, really?
from the kids.
From the kids, awesome.
Which
Oh,
one?
They got me the axe.
Are these eggs?
Axe.
yeah, awesome. Very meaningful, I think. It's nice.
So it's
I
nice.
won without them realizing you're gonna play it to them.
Cool. Yeah,
Ah,
cheers.
cheers.
Yeah. When we cheers in Korea, we are a little far, right? Then we do it like Wi-Fi.
Oh no.
Really?
Wi-Fi?
We are a little far, right? So we do Wi-Fi like that.
Young does not agree.
No, it's real.
Say that in Korean.
Gombe.
Konbae. Yeah, you already know.
Okay.
Yeah, you know that Wi-Fi. Yeah.
It's so similar to Japanese. In Japanese, Gombai.
Other people like 위하여 like that.
Yeah, right.
So,
Like after 40.
yeah, after 40.
You
So
said
I should
after
say-
40.
So Brian in the car today, they were talking about someone. And Brian's like,
I know. I'm
he's
so.
an old man. And he's like, isn't he like 40?
I know. I mean like older man. I don't mean like 40 is not old these days.
And then Brian's like, no, like older than me.
I'm sorry if I made you.
Paul is not
No,
upset.
I'm
He's
kidding.
just joking.
Awesome.
Oh,
Hi, I'm Miles. Hi, Gavin. Hi, Paul. Hi, Dan. Hello. You're smiling. Hi, Young.
Hi.
I'm Brian. Oh, what? Oh,
Careful, this mic.
oh, awesome. Yeah, awesome. First time. 씻으러 갈 거예요. 여기서 이거 샤워실인데 1인 1실로 무료로 이용할 수 있습니다. 샤워장 보여드릴까요? 짠짠. 이렇게 찬물밖에 안 나온다는 점이